If your ChatGPT is slow, here are 2 fixes and some advice to speed it up. First of all, remember that long chats with a lot of history can slow down ChatGPT because it reviews the entire chat history when answering. If you have a long chat, ask ChatGPT to summarize it and then paste the summary into a new chat. For example, if you're discussing a good book, ask it to summarize what it knows about the conversation, and this helps ChatGPT process less data. Also, your internet speed affects responses at times. A slow internet connection can make ChatGPT seem slower, so ensure that you have a fast internet connection. And if you're using a browser, you can clear the cache. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner and then open your settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security, tap on Delete Browsing Data, and select Cached Images and Files. You can also select the time, like last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and you can also go for more options like all time and last 4 weeks. Then tap on Delete Data, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.